So over here you can see that I have this particular design right here, and this design is bleeding out of the edges right here. But let's say what we do is I just want to clip it out in this particular artboard area only. In that case, what you can do is you can utilize PowerClip for that. So to do that, let me just go ahead and make it easy, select all, and then let's say for example, right click and group out all of the content together first. So now I'm going to go ahead and take, let's say, an rectangle right here and click and drag out the rectangle to the area where I want to clip my graphics right here, just like this. And let me just go ahead and fill it out with a color so that the selection is easy. So now I'm going to go ahead and select the graphics that I want to clip, and then right click right here and then click on PowerClip inside. Then I'm just going to go ahead and choose the shape on the top right here. And now what happens is that you can see that it crops out everything. So you can see that this is the shape right here. This is PowerClipped inside now on this particular shape right here. And since this is a shape, you can see that I can change around the border values right here as well. And now this works like a single shape right here that you can resize out and move it wherever you want. You can do this by using any shape. Let's say, for example, I can go ahead and take a roll right here just like this. And I'm going to take this particular shape, right click, and then choose PowerClip inside, click on shape, and it is inside right here, just like this. You can also go ahead right here and you can see that you can click on it, press finish right here. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. And this is how you can go ahead and entire design inside of a shape as you like inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.